My name is Kim, and I'm the happiest cook. And today we are in the kitchen making one of my all-time favorite meals, katsu chicken. I ate this growing up. I mean, like, I would go down to L&L Barbecue when I was living in Ewa Beach, Hawaii, and I would buy a plate lunch, and I always bought katsu chicken. Now, plate lunches are typical meals you get in Hawaii. You can buy them everywhere, and it's a square styrofoam like sectioned container. They put a meat, a rice, macaroni salad on top of shredded cabbage, and you can take it to the beach, you can eat it in the car, you can take it to school. I mean, plate lunch, that's what we grew up eating. That's what this is all inspired by, my love of katsu chicken and plate lunches. So, here we go. I am going to first mix up my katsu sauce so that it's all done and can just sit. Nice thing about this sauce is it's actually pretty simple to make. It's just that special, unique combination of flavors that makes it so yummy. And we're going to put this in the fridge, and it can just stay there until we're ready for it. We have flour, egg, and our panko. And our oil is hot. We have our chicken. I've pounded them so they're pretty much all the same thickness. And we're just going to dredge this. It's kind of important that you use panko, or else you won't get that super crunchy that you want. Then we just fill our pan till they're golden brown. We flip them once. Our chicken is nice and golden. We're going to go ahead and remove it. And I just have a plate with paper towels just to drain some of that oil off from cooking. That one's not quite done. Neither is that one. So we'll let those continue to cook. And I'm going to go ahead and plate up a dish, and we'll see you back here at the counter in just a few minutes. Okay. Our katsu chicken is all done, and I've got it plated. I have 2 plates, actually, plate lunches. And I wanted to surprise my husband. I made some macaroni salad, Hawaiian style, and This is pretty much what you would get if you ordered a plate lunch of katsu chicken in Hawaii. You would have katsu chicken, they always cut it. Then we have macaroni salad, Hawaiian style. It's actually very different than regular. And I can include that recipe on my blog if you want to shoot over there and look. I'll get that recipe up on my blog for you. And it's just plain white rice. We have our katsu sauce, which we serve like this. And as they say in Hawaii, this is oh-no-licious. Thanks for joining us again on our tour as we are traipsing around the world. Hawaii was fun, had a warm spot in my heart. And I hope you enjoy this meal. It's actually was fun. I enjoyed it a lot. And next week, we will continue our little tour around the world. We are going to Thailand. Don't miss it, man. I'm really psyched about this one. This is going to be some yummy, yummy food. Forgot to tell you. Subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button. It's free and we really appreciate it. So, like I always say, let's get cooking and keep on cooking. Aloha from Hawaii.